What's up, my YT homies? What it do, and what it do? It's your girl Alethea coming back in with another video, and in this video I am going to share with you how I feel about this Natasha Denona palette while bringing you this look. With the palette, I use this palette and this palette only to do this look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look with this palette, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so today, as you can tell from the title, we are going to tap into the Natasha Denona Bronze palette. Y'all, this is my first, no it's not, I was about to say this is my first Natasha Denona palette, but actually this is my first Natasha Denona palette. I got this little 5 mini pan from Sephora for $12.50. So this is actually my first palette by Natasha Denona, but I have the bronze palette and I kind of had my eye on it. And
hello, recording. What's up, girl? Oh, yeah, finally trying to record, get some videos recorded about that so I can put them on my little channel too. Oh, okay. What y'all doing? Listen. When you go and finish recording, you can come on me back if I want that. Okay. Well, I call you when I was finished recording because you don't want that anyway. Okay, bye.
My girl Tracy Simmons from Locked Christ, she was like, "You gonna get it, girl?" I was like, "Yeah, girl, let's get it together." Knowing I was still undecided, but it's always better when you have someone that is a partner in crime with you with this thing, because you know, like, P is not into makeup. She wears makeup, but she's not into makeup like I am. Get a little eyeliner, a little lipstick, and she's good to go. And wait, a little gold shimmer on her eyes, and she's good to go. Psh, unless I do something to hook them up. Anyway, so here is the palette. This is the palette, and I got a few fingerprints on it. I haven't used it, and the back of it has the little holes on there. And from what I think, or what I've seen, I think you can take and depot these, and like take something to push them out and depot them. So, but I don't plan on doing that. This is what the palette looks like. Of course, that's upside down. That's right side up, and it does have the colors on here. So yeah, I think I'm going to try. I'm not going to make any promises, but I'm going to try to do some swatches and insert them here, because y'all already know me and swatches, we really don't get along. So, but with that out the way, now that I've shown you the palette, let's go ahead and get into the eye. Let's see what I'm going to do. Today I'm going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer for my eyelid primer to get my eyes set. Y'all, I need to wash my brushes. I'm not even gonna lie. I need to wash them. I've been sitting at home, and with the looks I have been doing, I haven't been washing my brushes, but I need to wash them now. So I've been using, like, where did I put it at? It's somewhere over here. I've been using this spray brush cleaner and then wiping them off on a wipe, but I need to submerge those bad babies in some water. All the way in some water. To be truthfully honest, I have the slightest idea what I'm going to do. I haven't thought about anything or nothing. I have not. But I think I'm going to start off with this color Suntan right here over in the corner, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Alright, so first impression, just with putting this in the crease, I can tell you guys there is a lot of pigmentation with this color. I did pick up the color in small patches, so to speak, lightly picking it up because I didn't want to put too much color down at once. But I can tell y'all I do like the fact of the color payoff on it so far. I'm going to go on my brow bone with this color right here, and this color is called Beach. And y'all see that? I don't know whether y'all see that, but those two colors are blending in really well together. A lot of times I have to go back and take my other brush with the first color and blend the two together, but I don't think I have to do that with these because they are blending so good together. All right, so next I'm going to take, let's go take Ridge, and I'm going to go in the crease with Ridge as well, right around here. Kind of just want to soften that up just a little bit. Now, do I want a dark crease or no? Do I? Yes. Let's go in with this color, Deep Dive. I just want to kind of focus Deep Dive right over here. I don't want to go too far with it. And then I'm going to take this first brush again, and I'm going to go in with Edge to kind of blend this together to make this seamless right here. I'm not going to go in and define my crease. I'm not going to cut crease or anything like that. I'm just going to go in and put a lid color. So what color do we want to try? Let's go in with this color right here, Bliss. This Bliss, it kind of bleeds two different colors a little bit. So let's go in with the Bliss. Oh, do y'all see that color? Do y'all see that? That is so pretty. That color is so pretty. Oh my God. I am loving it. I'm here for it. And in the middle, let's go for, High Degree. Let's do High Degree. Same brush. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. And I'm going to go back in with Deep Dive over in the corner and just take it a little bit over here in the crease, just a little bit. Not adding much to this brush, just to kind of get that blended together. All right, so to finish off the eyes for the waterline, I'm going to use this NYX pencil in the color Golden Bronze. All right, and then to set that color, let's go in with the color Magna right here. All right, y'all know I gotta line my top lid. I'm gonna put on lashes, but I still need to line. Okay, y'all, so let me just come back in before I shut this thing down. So I was sitting up here and let me show y'all what I did. I damn near messed up my color here. I'm up in here doing swatches, right, which I'm stopping now because they're not coming out right. But these colors, oh my gosh, the buttery, the creaminess, girl, these colors are so buttery and creamy. Just look, these are gorgeous. The texture, the feel, all of that is just on point. Okay, now back to the program. All right, you guys, so I went off, I finished the rest of my face, I put on some lashes, and I hope you like the finished look. So, the Natasha Denona Bronze palette. How do I feel about this palette? Well, I will say that, and let me put this up so I won't blind you, just to let you see the palette again. I will say that if you have these colors in another palette, girl, this bronze, this tan, this color, all of it's going together. All of it is just like popping together, right? But anyway, if you have another palette with a similar color story to this color story, then I will say that you don't need this palette. However, I I am glad that I did purchase the palette. I did use a $10 discount. I used 500 points to get a $10 discount on this. And then of course I use Rakuten because I use Rakuten with everything. So I got the cash back. But if you have a similar color story, just like I said, then you don't need to get this palette. But if you don't have anything in your collection that looks like this, then this is a great palette to add to your collection. Other than the little 5-pan palette that by Natasha Denona that I'm going to show, that you've seen that I have, I don't have anything else by Natasha Denona to compare this to. When it comes to this palette and the quality of the palette, I will say that I do like the pigmentation in the colors. The colors do show up very well on my skin, on my eyes, and as you can see, and there's no creasing. You know, sometimes my eyes, because my eyes are hooded, it may look like it, but there's no creasing in the colors or anything like that. But when it comes to these colors, they are very, very pretty. They are pigmented. Of course, I did not use every color in this palette, but I will be bringing some more looks to you guys with this palette, as well as I'll be just using it, of course, on my own and every day, just to make use of my palette. This palette does cost $65, which of course is cheaper than her other palettes. I've seen some palettes of hers that cost $129, and of course, like I said, other than that 5-pan palette that cost me $12.50, I don't have any of her other palettes. So all in all, I will say that I am very pleased with the palette. I am glad that I went ahead and purchased the palette. So like I said, if you have something in your collection with this color story, then there's no need to run out and get this palette. But if not, this would be a great addition to add to your collection. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.